The Art of Worship is back at a brand new time. Meet us at the altar for family prayer at 6:30 p.m. and then stay for a 1-hour power-packed Art of Worship from 7 to 8 p.m. Don't miss it. Next weekend, Resurrection Weekend celebrations at the Lighthouse featuring Pastor Dan and our Performing Arts Ministry in the stage production, The Priest. Invite a friend and make note of our 7 special Easter 7 Weekend 7 services. Saturday at 3 p.m., 4:30 p.m., 6 p.m., as well as Sunday at 7 a.m., 10 a.m., and 11:30 a.m.
Attention new parents! Our spring baby dedication is coming on Saturday, April 6th. Register today in the lobby.
Save the date. Our spring job fair will be held on Wednesday, April 10th.
Save the date. Join us for Club 4501 on Friday, April 12th, as they present a concert and television taping featuring our very own Elder Edwin Rodriguez. Woohoo! Tickets are available now, and it's going to be in the east wing of the bookstore, the lobby, your back pockets, wherever. Just be out here to support Edwin, ladies and gentlemen. Bless your hearts. Anley is now open for registration. Classes begin Thursday, April 11th at 7 p.m. The courses will include evangelism, fruit of the Spirit, and walking through the Word. So make sure you pick up your information at the info desk in both lobbies.
Did you know that we have a free support and recovery ministry that meets every Monday night at 7 p.m.? This confidential group is led by certified counselors and pastors who can help you walk through challenging times in your life. Also, a counseling service has recently been added to this ministry. All are welcome to join us on Monday nights, or please see Pastor Sandra Haynes or Pastor Patrick Poe.
Please join Pastor Dan this Thursday night at 7 p.m. as he preaches at St. Mark Missionary Baptist Church, 14618 Lincoln Avenue in Harvey, Illinois. All are welcome.
And now for the Lighthouse Medical Minute.
Check out these benefits of exercise.
Makes your heart stronger.
Helps your lungs work better.
Boosts your immune system.
Strengthens muscles.
Makes you feel better.
And most importantly, exercise helps you live longer.
Lighthouse family, let's get moving!